Hello guys, this is Power Africa Solar PV Tech, and today we are in Metamaiwa, Nyamira County, where we have installed a 3000 watts inverter 24-volt system. And with this system we have 4 batteries of 200 Ah each that are used to supply power to the house as means of storage. And we also have a PV array DC isolator. This is to regulate the power that is incoming from the panels on top of the roof to the inverter. So in short, we are protecting what is coming from the panels on top of the roof to the inverter. We have a AC output breaker. So this AC output breaker is to regulate the amount of power being drawn from the house, so that we don't have so much excess being drawn from the inverter. We have also installed a battery fuse, which is this one. So this is to protect these batteries. This battery is right here, and in case we have someone or a technician who wants to do some inspection on these batteries, he doesn't have to disconnect the whole system. He'll just come and pull out this battery fuse, and the rest of the system is disconnected from the batteries. So that is a picture of the whole system, and we'll go outside and show you the panels on top of the roof. So guys, as you can see, on top of the roof we have the 6 panels of 450 watts each, which are connected in this system.